Hi, in this video, we're going to figure out how to write the number plotted on this number line. The first thing you want to do is recognize what number comes before the point that's been plotted. In this case, we have a 2. Now that means that our number starts with 2 point something. Now, in order to figure out how to go further from here, we need to know how many tick marks are there between our numbers. So when I go to count that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So since there are 4 tick marks, we know that we're counting by fourths. And when I go to count for my specific number, I go 1, 2, 3 fourths. So 3/4 are past the 2. So if I were writing this as a fraction, I would write it as 2 3/4, like this. But we do want to turn 3/4 into a decimal for this problem because it does want us to write it as a decimal. So now 3/4, you can do this a couple of different ways. One is you can just divide 3 by 4, either in your calculator or by long division. If we do it by long division, it would look like this. 4 doesn't go directly into 3, so I put a decimal and a 0. I can now say 4 goes into 30 7 times. And notice I write the 7 up top, and I go ahead and put the decimal above the other decimal. 7 times 4 is 28. I subtract, and I get a 2. Then I add another 0 and carry it down. And I say 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, which cancels out perfectly. So here, 3/4 is 0.75. So here I can write 2.75 as my final answer.